How to log in HDFC Bank account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some process of how you can get logged into your HDFC account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now at the top search bar, type in HDFC Bank Login. Once done, you will see its official website that says Manage your account securely. Tap onto it. Also make sure that you have tapped on this three-dot icon and you have checked the box that says Desktop Site. Once it is so, zoom in your screen and at the top corner you will see Login. Click onto it and go onto Net Banking option. Now at this section, enter your customer ID or your user ID. In case you have forgotten your customer ID, tap on the Forgot Customer ID and here they will help you reset your account. Now tap on Continue once you're done, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account, and that is how you can do it.